How about the new Raptor R, which is official? Oh, baby, is a nice looking one. V8 is back in the Raptor. I didn't know if it was going to happen. I know that we had the teasers, and I was like, what are they going to really do? Are they really just going to put a V8 in there because it's 2022, and you got the F-150 Lightning, and I know it's been in works for a while, and obviously the Ram TRX exists, and Ford just said, one last time. Let's growl one last time. And that's what they've done here. All new 2023 Ford F-150 Raptor R, the fastest, most powerful model in the series yet. 5.2-liter V8, 700 horsepower, 10-speed transmission. The same engine as in the Shelby GT500 with a recalibrated supercharger and a new pulley optimized for off-road use. Also, the only production truck that ships with 37-inch tires.
37.
Which is going to give you a pretty mean look. The one they're showing off in the video with that sort of like gray color and the graphics and stuff. Mm. It's not that much different inside from a typical F-150. You have the Raptor interior. The R model just like highlights the R in the racing seats. Mm. But it's pretty impressive what they've been able to do as far as the motor's concerned, because here you have a 5.2-liter V8 capable of 700 horsepower. And this isn't like Cybertruck level of acceleration, but it's not far off. Mm. I'm just glad it exists.
They should have a head-to-head.
I'm just glad it exists. You also get the other new F-150 features, like the whole new interior with the little work surface and the fold-down gear selector and the better display and the Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and all this magic. There's a video that's been done by Cars.com. I would love to catch a look at this, obviously. Mm. I'm a big-time fan, truck fan, Ford fan. I've had F-150s. I was waiting to see what they're going to do with the Raptor, with this R model, and now it's legit, so.
Oh, they changed the drive selector to actually fold down, like Lightning?
Yeah, so it folds down so that work surface flips over. Work surface / eat surface.
Right, yeah.
Because you're definitely gonna put some fast food on there and whatever. I know it's in a pinch, but I got too many road trips going on. I got too many people got to go all these different places.
It's nice how the Lightning kind of has the DNA into the Raptor as well.
Well, it's actually all F-150s. Right. All the new F-150s have that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So even the just regular gas models, it's an option. So typically the higher trim levels would have that. Limited and all that.
Oh. Very cool.
I don't know if the exterior is R enough, in the sense that the only way you know it's the R model is the fact that the R portion of the Raptor graphic on the side says R. Because you have to understand, it's going to be a lot more money than a regular Raptor. Mm. But.
So does it come with these graphics?
Yes. Oh. Yeah. So you have the R on the outside, and then you have the R in the headrest embroidery, which is red. So then you know it's the Raptor R. Maybe some people like the fact that it's subtle, but there's nothing subtle. Look at the graphic. It's not subtle.
Yeah.
Crazy. So anyway, there's a true competitor now to the TRX. There's going to be all types of drag races going on. Mm. All types of YouTube stuff going on.
Exciting.
And who knows, maybe we'll get involved. We got to talk to Ford, see what's going on here, because that's exciting.